Ready to ditch that generic look and transform your Odoo website into a powerhouse that screams your brand? First, let's jump into Odoo's website app. Make sure you're in edit mode. It's usually indicated with an edit button on the upper right. Next, navigate to the Customize menu. Look for options like Edit HTML, CSS, or Customize Theme. This is where the magic happens. Now, dive into the HTML, CSS Editor and search for any instances of Odoo, either as text or within image links. Be extremely careful when making these changes. It's a good idea to back up your website first. Then head to the General Settings area of your Odoo website. Here, you'll find settings related to your company information. Replace the default Odoo logo with your own. Using the Upload function, look for the watermark settings and replace those images, too. And there you have it, a fully branded Odoo website, reflecting your unique company identity. Don't forget to clear your browser cache to see the changes. Experiment with different styles to make your own.